This is REALME GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, onwards enter the Users and Accounts category. In here, you gotta start with making sure that there are no Google accounts added. If you have some like I do, you gotta get rid of them or remove them simply by tapping over here and choosing the Remove Account option. Once this step is out of the way, you will need to launch the settings again, go into Google category this time, tap at the parental controls over here, get started, child routine, next. Now sign into your child's Google account or create one if you do not have Gmail account. Sit in here and ready, sit in here ready. So you know the drill, enter the email address, follow it with the password. Then proceed with the Google sign-in. Then choose the account you have just logged into from the list over here. Onwards, you gotta enter the credentials to parent account. At the About Supervision page, enter the child's Google account password one more time. After, tap at the Agree button. At the following Allow Supervision page, go for the Allow option. Wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Next, this step you can skip. The same applies for the following page as well. In here, if the device that is written over here or highlighted over here is the one that you will use as the parent or supervisor, you can go for the blue Install Family Link button and get the required app automatically downloaded and installed on your parental phone, or you can absolutely do that manually as well. So that's an option that I'll go for. So now you gotta take your parental device then, if you went for the manual installation option, and download the Family Link app from Play Store. Then launch it. In here, make sure to sign in with the parent Google account. And inside the application itself, you can do all kinds of things. For example, set the daily device usage limits, downtime routine, manage apps that your child have an access to, as well as over here you can see your child's usage, or rather app usage activity, apply content and age restrictions, configure the account settings, manage devices if you have multiple added, monitor your child's live location, and see your child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.